everyone, this is Nandita standing before you to give an explanation about life history of Cluex Mosquito. Here, today we are going to learn the history of the mosquito and how the mosquitoes from egg to adult, the stages we are going to discuss in this lesson. Students, we already know that mosquitoes are common in our surroundings. They are found in a damp or marshy places. The female mosquito feed on the blood of male and other vertebrates. The male mosquito sucks the juices of flowers and plants. Houseflies are also lives in our surroundings. The mosquitoes and houseflies are harmful insects as they spread diseases like malaria, cholera and typhoid. The commonly two types of mosquitoes we can know that first one is Anopheles mosquito and second one is Cluex mosquito. Let us see now the history of Cluex mosquito. There are four stages in this Cluex mosquito. The first stage is egg, second one is larva, third one is pupa, fourth one is the stage of adult mosquito. These are the four stages we find in the history of Cluex mosquito's life cycle. First, let us come to know about the eggs. An adult female mosquito lays 300 eggs in a pond or a pool. Each egg is Caesar shaped. You may see the egg Caesar shapes. The eggs are laid side by side and held together by a sticky substance and in the form of a boat shaped raft. In 1 or 3 days, this egg hatches and a larva comes out from this egg. This is the stage, the shape of the larva which comes out from this egg. Second stage of mosquito, after the eggs, larva will form. The larva of mosquito is called as wrigglers because of their wriggling movements. The body is segmented as head, thorax and abdomen. The head has two pairs of antenna. This is the two pairs of antenna and there is two pairs of eyes. Each eye is made up of several small eyes, hence it is called as compound eye, and there are a pair of feeding brushes here. There is a pair of feeding brushes. These feeding brushes are made up of stiff hairs. The feeding brushes cause a small currents of water by which small particles of food are swept into the mouth. The thoracic is a globular and the abdomen is the abdomen is a cylinder with 9 segments. Here the abdomen, it is a cylinder with 9 segments, and the thorax and abdomen are a stuff of stiff hair are present upon the body. From this thorax and abdomen, this stuff and stiff hair is present. The abdomen is a tube on 8th segment. It is a tube on 8th segment through which air is taken. See, this is a tube on 8th segment. It is a tube which is the air is taken, and this tube it is called as respiratory siphon. Respiratory siphon. The larva periodically comes to the surface of the water and takes in air through this respiratory siphon. Then the larva feed on algae and small organic particles and grow into the next stage. After completing this stage, the larva enters into the next stage. It is called as pupa, or it looks like this stage it looks like a comma also. Hence the shape, for looking this comma shape, it is called as tumbler. The head and thoracic are fused. On this, a pair of tubules are called respiratory tumblers. Means the respiratory tumblers are present here, and the pupa hangs in the surface. It hangs in the surface of the water and takes in atmospheric air by these respiratory tumblers. Depending upon the temperature, the pupa stages last us from 2 to 7 days. After 2 to 7 days, it enters into the fourth stage, which we can called as imago. The pupa, depending upon the situational conditions, the pupa goes into the metamorphic changes and it becomes into a mosquito. Then the newly emerged adult is called imago, which form comes into a new adult mosquito. This is the life history of Cluex mosquito. There are the 4 stages in Cluex mosquito: egg stage, eggs to larva, larvas to pupa, pupas to adult mosquito. This after completing this larva, it enters into a pupa stage, which may called as thrumbler, and in this here it's look like a comma. Next after that it goes into a immature stage, and finally it becomes into a adult mosquito. This is the history of Cluex mosquito. Thank you. This is Nandita from Sonu Academy.